Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? This is Troy, and I'm back with another video. And you know what? I've always heard and thought about doing a 30-day challenge. Have you ever done a 30-day challenge? Well, actually, this is gonna be my first time doing one. I would always hear about doing some type of challenge for any duration of time, whether it be 30 days, 90 days, 120 days, whatever you can actually do, however long you can push yourself to keep going, right? So me personally, this is my first time, so I'm choosing to do a 30-day challenge. I believe that the goal of any challenge is basically to get massive action going on in your business or whatever else you may be doing. So right now, I currently have a really small YouTube channel. By the time of the recording of this video, I'm currently sitting on 144 subscribers. Okay, so really small, but not zero. So you know, the work that I've put forth is making some progress. You see some gains on it, but now I want to turn it up a notch, right? So it's gonna be some things that I'm gonna have to do differently in order to get this 30-day challenge going. Okay, so one of the things that I'm gonna have to do is pre-record videos. I have a full-time job and a part-time job, and in order for me to do 30 days straight without missing a day, I'm gonna have to previously do some things. So for this past few weeks, I've been writing a lot, and for me, I have to put things on paper in order to, I want to say, remember them and recite them back to you. It's kind of like in high school and junior high school for me. That's the way I learn. Me personally, I have literally would have to write things down in order to get my brain working a certain way. So because I know that about myself, I have to put pen to paper. Had I tried to do a 30-day challenge on a daily basis on top of working my regular job, I would be falling asleep in front of the camera. You wouldn't want to see that. That'd be an ugly sight to see. My job is physically and mentally exhausting on me. So, Monday through Friday is usually the regular, my full-time 9 to 5. And then at night, sometimes I will do, some extra work for like 5.5 to 6 hours at my part-time job. And then on Saturdays and Sundays, sometimes I'll do another gig with my part-time job. So it'll be extremely tough for me to do a 30-day challenge just straight one video a day at this point in time. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna show you what my YouTube channel currently looks like. So let's take a look right now. So here we are in the YouTube studio portion of YouTube, and I'm choosing to utilize the new version of the analytics. So this is going to be a little interesting right here because everything's been upgraded in the background in YouTube. So this is what it looks like now before my 30-day challenge. Okay, so you know right now I'm up 44 plus subscribers in the last 28 days. My watch time is 5.7 thousand. It's 5,733 in the watch time in minutes. And you can see the views is at 1K. It's up 51% in the last 28 days over here. Okay. That's from June 24th through July 21st, which is the time of the recording of this. Well, actually, the recording of this video is on the 22nd of July, 2019. So as you can see, you click on earn revenue is at zero because I do not have the qualifications at the moment. You are required to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you're allowed to even apply to earn revenue in Google AdSense. So it will be interesting to see if I can actually reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within those 30 days, just to see if I can actually, start earning revenue. But the goal of this isn't to earn revenue. The goal is to really see what a 30-day challenge can do, or what its potential can be. So for those who want to do this 30-day challenge as well, here's, you're going to be able to see the results in the future. So actually, you can see the reach. You can see the amount of impressions that I have right now. The click-through rate is 5.9.
Unique viewers is 649, and so on and so forth. The views from impressions is 519 right now. Watch time is 3K, 1,000 minutes. I mean, 3,000 minutes. Before the 30-day challenge, due to the impressions that I got. Okay, and the impressions is basically like those notifications on the side when someone you watches a YouTube video. Yours is pretty much like suggested. Well, actually, though, that's the suggested one. Let me see if I can find that for you. I'm over here learning this at the same time. So we're gonna learn how to navigate through this together. So, okay, so traffic source, there you go. So suggested videos right here. That's a type of impression. And you can see right now what I got from uh, the suggested videos. Now that's extremely important, or at least for my channel, because I see that due to suggested videos, uh, the quick the impressions is 2,872, and the click through rate is 8.3%. That's almost 10% for suggested videos. Now, if you don't know what suggested videos, the videos that pop up after you finish watching a YouTube video that you selected to watch for yourself. My video was suggested, let's say I got 2,872 impressions by it, and I got a 8.3% click through rate from that. And then the average view duration was 8 minutes and 21 seconds in total for this time. So you can see how important suggested videos is. So ranking the videos will be important in the future, or for this, this 30-day challenge. YouTube search is one, external browse features, channel pages, other YouTube features. The list goes on, as you can see. And these are all the stats for that. Now, what's going to be interesting later is that this is a comparison, and I'm decided to compare my own channel to my own channel. You can customize the date. So this says June 1st to July 21st right here. Okay. In the future, I'm going to do June 1st to July 31st, and then I'm going to compare that to August 1st to August 31st, because that's going to be the duration of time where I have my 30-day challenge going. So this is going to be very interesting to see. Okay, so you can see the growth already. The purple is which one is this? What time zone is this? I believe the purple time zone is June 1st through the 21st. And let me see, the green one would be the comparison, which is January 1st through July 21st, both in 2019. So basically, this is the entire year so far of 2019, and this is just within the last 2 months, uh, almost 2 months, because it's still the 22nd of July. So you can see that, basically the last 2 months is where I had my most growth in this channel. So yeah, so this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what the changes will be in this 30-day challenge. And I hope this will be, inspiring for those who are looking to do the same thing. So yeah, this is gonna be great, guys. So guys, this is where I'm gonna end this video. If you would like to like and subscribe, you can please do that. If you feel like this is going to bring some value to you, come on this journey with me. This is going to be kind of fun, and I hope you enjoy it. And listen, if you got any tips that you'd like to post under this video, go ahead and do that in the below the description, and we can have a conversation about it. Okay, so this is what it is right now. This is your boy Troy, and I'm signing out. Talk to you soon.